Looking for something exotic to spice up your lunch or dinner? Today, I will share my version of the Middle Eastern dish shawarma with garlic sauce.
Hi everyone, I am Ghia Ganuelas-Roldan and welcome to my kitchen.
We need 1 pound of ground beef, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper, 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Let's add oil first, and then let's add the garlic. And then let's add the ground beef. And then let's saute with the chopped garlic. Let's add the salt. And let's add the pepper. Let's add the soy sauce and let's add the oyster sauce. Bring to boil before we add the sugar. For our garlic sauce, we need the following: 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper. We also need 1 cup of mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of water. Let's add the vinegar to the mayonnaise, and then let's add the chopped garlic, the salt, the sugar, and the pepper. Mix it well. And then let's add the water. Then let's use the strainer to remove the raw garlic. For our pita bread, we need the following: 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 cups of flour, and 2 cups of water. Put the flour, baking soda, salt, oil, and water together. Mix it well. You can just use a hand mixer, a whisk, or a stand mixer as well. I'm going to use a non-stick pan to cook our pita bread. Wrap up your shawarma sandwich with your favorite vegetables or cheese garnishes.
I hope you enjoy my version of shawarma wraps with garlic sauce. In San Antonio, Texas, I am Ghia Ganuelas-Roldan. We live in interesting times.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to EBC Digital Nest to find purpose in the simple joys of life.